Hello students, I am Ravi Kumar Vemula and welcome to my channel Learn with Ravi.
In this session, we'll be learning about C language environment. To work with C language, you need to install the C language compilers. And once you install the C language compilers, we can set up the environment. So you can get all these compilers from the web. For Windows, people normally speak about Turbo C compilers, Turbo C++, Dev C++, code blocks. We have in plenty. But for Windows and Mac, I prefer the code block compiler. Yes, and for Ubuntu and Linux part, you have by default GCC compiler installed. If it is not installed, you can run a particular code terminal by typing sudo apt install GCC. So it installs the GCC package. Now let us see how to download and install the code block compiler. So go to any web browser. I prefer Google. So type codeblock.org. You go to the web portal. In the codeblock.org, identify the download button, click on it, and that takes you to a list of options. From that list of options, please click on download the binary release, where you will be having set of links to download it. From there, identify a particular file as shown on the screen and then download it by using FOSSHub, and then the file starts getting downloaded. It's hardly 140 MB file and it takes a couple of seconds or minutes depending on your net speed. And once the file is being downloaded, you can install the file from the source where it is being downloaded. Once the file is downloaded, please click on the install button and keep hitting next, 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 and next. The complete software of the compiler gets installed, and once you open the first program to run the program, it opens as shown on the screen, called as code blocks, where you can open a new file by clicking on the file menu, go to new, click on file. So you can choose a CCPP module file and it will take you to a screen, and you can pick from a C or CPP. I pick a C file, and you can choose the path where you want to store your C files, and I am creating a new folder in my D drive called as C programs. In that I am saving my first program, calling it as first underscore program. An editor gets opened up as shown on the screen, and you can start writing your first program. In your first program, we start with typing hash include stdio.h. The minute you type hash include, an IntelliSense pops up that gives you the list of header files found. You can choose by clicking on the tab button. And then we write int main. People write void main, but the default syntax would be int main. And we have an opening brace and a closing brace, and every code we write in between these braces only. And don't forget to write return 0 or return 1. What is return 0, return 1, we'll see later, but for now this is how we write. Then we write printf statement that prints to the output saying welcome to C language programming. And you need to build and run this code, so click on the build and run button on the screen, and a black screen, a new window opens up, the black screen that displays the code saying welcome to C language programming. This is how we set up the environment, and we do compile them to get the outputs. Thank you.